The cooperation between our cluster and the regional driver is trustful and intense. The regional driver in our case is the City of Regensburg, the Development Economic Department. We have regular meetings on quarterly basis, for example. We have project-based meetings, and we also have instant meetings, for example, telephone calls sometimes a week. We are, as a cluster, involved in the digital transition policy of the City of Regensburg. For this example, we have implemented a platform for our cluster members and also for the City of Regensburg. This platform is named AI and Office and Administrations. And in this regular platform, we try to bring in topics like AI in how can be AI used in office, how can AI be some kind of advantage for the people working in office, and how to improve processes. As a cluster, we're always looking forward to new technologies. As a cluster, we're always looking how new strategies upcoming, for example, in the City of Regensburg or in our region. And for this, we did have some thoughts about how is the city going on in the smart city development. And there was a really big project, federal project, smart city project named Our Next. And within this project, we designed, together with the City of Regensburg, a real living lab sub-project called Air Lab Mobility, also including a data hub project. Project in principle contains out of two parts. The first part is an application part where companies can bring in their innovation ideas, testing sensors or stuff like this. And the second part is a data hub project. All the data collected in the first part of the project are going into this data hub, and the project partners and other companies like startups from our innovation center TechBase will be able to work with this data platform. And by doing so, and by opening this platform for new digitalization projects, we try to contribute to the digitalization strategy of the City of Regensburg. One of the most important points of the outcome was that we are able to test projects, innovation projects, in real world, with real people, with real scenarios, and giving the companies the opportunity to test their innovations within these scenarios. So we do not only are bringing together people and bridging innovation to science, we also bringing innovation to real world and try to help companies to bring forward their projects. One of the most important core competence is to be a trust builder, to build trust between the members. Another core competence is to be innovation scouts, some kind of thinking about what's next. And another core competence is always to think about what is innovation in kind of projects. Because one of our cluster slogan is projects, projects, projects. And this is because of that one of the core competences, I think.